Oh, hi there. I'm working on the transmission for the K-Swap right now. That video is in the works and it's coming very soon. This video, however, is about something else entirely. That was intense, and that is why I'm announcing a new series. You see, the goal of this channel has always been and always will be about building the ultimate driving experience. And after seeing some of those cars in action, it hit me. I'm not going to build every single car in existence, and even if I could build that many cars, they'd still be built around my vision alone. But the people behind those cars, they have their own vision and their own perspective about what road driving is. So this series is about bringing those cars forward alongside mine, showing the most unique builds in the world and the owners behind them. And to kick this series off, we're starting with a bang. And a loud one at that.